Hey folks, this is David from 60 Second Designs, and today I'm going to be covering the Align panel. This panel allows us to move objects to the axis that we specify and can be located by navigating over to the top of our screen and clicking the drop-down button labeled Windows in the toolbar. From there, we can then select Align. Alright, so now with our Align panel open, we can select some shapes on our canvas to choose where we'd like them to be moved. If I select both shapes here and click this first button, the objects will horizontally align left. If I select these shapes and click the second button, they will horizontally align to the center. Lastly, if I select these shapes and click the third button, the objects will horizontally align right. The next three options within the panel work in a similar manner and allow us to align objects vertically. The row below that works to distribute objects by either top, bottom, left, right, or center. The two buttons in the bottom left of the panel allow us to vertically and horizontally distribute spacing between our shapes. The Align To dropdown, located in the bottom right of the panel, lets us select if we want to align our objects to our currently selected group, a key object within that selected group, which can be specified by clicking again on an object within our selection, or to the artboard itself. And that's all there is to it. Remember to like and subscribe. If you have any questions about the Align panel, please post them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.